everyone. Today we're going to be learning how to set up goals in Healthie either using our computer or using our phone. So first I'm going to show you how to set up a goal in Healthie using your computer. So if you go to your search engine, I'm using Google, you can type in Get Healthie and that'll pull you up to the search results, and the first one is the Healthie app, so you can click on the first link. And then once you log in, you'll get on the Healthie homepage where you'll see that there is an option to create a goal. So I'm going to select Create Goal. And then don't worry about this part in the red. You can still create a goal if that pops up for you like it does for me. But you'll see in the top right hand corner there's another blue icon that says Create Goal. So remember that we want to make our goals SMART goals, and we have a limit on the number of characters that we can use in the title, and we would like you to set a physical activity and healthy eating goal. So the first goal I'm going to say is a physical activity goal. So you can just type in that as your title. And then we again want to have a SMART goal for our physical activity goal. So I'm going to use the goal of that I want to exercise 5 days a week for at least 30 minutes. So I'm going to type in 5 days for exercise, 5 days each week for 30 minutes after dinner. All right, and so you can see that this is a SMART goal because it's measurable, it's specific, it has an activity kind of associated with it. So this looks like a great goal. And then for the frequency, because I am wanting to do this every week, I'm going to set the frequency as weekly. And then under additional options, you can click that bar and you can say that you want to have an end date. So we can add an end date here. So I'm going to say 3 months because we're going to be following up with you all at 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and a year after, just to see how you're doing with your goal. And so I'm going to use 3 months so that way when I check in with you, if we need to update the goals, then we can do it at that time as well. So I'm going to say that we have the goal ending on January 29th of 2021. And then a great thing that you can do with your goals too is you can include sub-goals. And so sub-goals might be really helpful, especially if you're doing a weekly goal, because you can add each day of the week and see how many times you actually met your goal. So for this, I'm just going to say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And so those are just the days of the week, and because I want to have a physical activity goal of exercising for 30 minutes 5 days of the week, I'm just going to put all the days of the week, and then I'll be able to check mark that every week for my weekly goal. So once you're done with that, you can also set a reminder if you would like to be reminded of your goals, but I'm not going to do that in this example, but that is an option there for you if you would like to be reminded. So after that, you can just hit Create Goal, and then you'll see that your goal has been added to your goals page. And so again, just to go through it, for a healthy eating goal, we'll create another goal and we'll call it healthy eating goal. And then for this goal, I'm going to say 4 days each week I will eat an apple and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter instead of ice cream for dessert. And then the same thing, I'm going to set this as a weekly goal, and then for additional options, I'm going to have the end date be 3 months from the day that I'm creating the goal, but you can have an end date whatever you would like. So if you want to try something, instead if you want to do it 1 day a week, then you can see how it goes for the first week, and then you can have an end date of 1 week and see how it goes, and then you can add another goal the next week, if you want to increase the amount of times you're eating an apple instead of ice cream to 2 times a week, you can make that adjustment. So we'll do that. And then I'm going to, again, include sub-goals so that I can keep track of how I'm doing during the week. All right, and I'm not going to set a reminder. And then again, we will click the Create Goal button. And then your second goal will be included. So then if you want, you can go back to your home page and you'll see that every time you log in, your goal will be there. And then if you want, you can click on the goals from there. So we can go to more details and you can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So today is Thursday when I'm showing you this. So I'm going to say that I have exercised 2 of these 3 days. So I exercised on Monday and I exercised on Tuesday, and then we can hit close. And then when we look at it, again, we can see that that is, updated. And if we click check, so if we met our goal for the week, if we had, if you could see Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday on here, and we had our 5 days checked for the week, then we could click this button saying that our goal had been completed for the week. And if we didn't, then we would just leave this icon unchecked. And then the same thing for the healthy eating goal. So that is how you set goals or set up goals in Healthy using the computer.